Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix wireless charging not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down. If you want to fix this problem, so click on this power icon and click on restart. After click on restart, so again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, so click on charging settings and make sure turn on fast wireless charging. After turn on fast wireless charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix wireless charging not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.